What if I told you there's a hidden creek in University Place, tucked inside a park most people barely notice? Today, I'm taking you there. From the road, Kobayashi Park looks like any other neighborhood green space. Blink and you'll miss the sign. But down its forested ravine is a secret that most visitors never see. They come for the picnic shelters and main trails. They miss the heart of the park, a confluence where Leach Creek meets Chambers Creek. No signs, no crowds, just nature doing something quietly beautiful. Part 1. Arrival. The road into the park is steep and narrow. Feels like you're entering another world. Yeah, they've done a lot of work on this park. They've added a lot of infrastructure, hiking trails, boardwalks. The city really invested a lot into developing this park. And you could see the lush forests that dominate this area as we go down this ravine. Kobayashi Park is the place to be if you just want to put your feet into the water, relax, and enjoy the calm tranquility of the surroundings. It really is something special. At the bottom, a tiny parking lot and some Japanese-inspired buildings. They're cool, but they're not the reason why I brought my camera. Part 2. History. These shelters, they were once part of a private home built in the 1960s. Even the big picnic shelter used to be an indoor pool. The Kobayashi family donated it to the city in 2000. And what's left of it now is part of the park's charm. But most people stop here, and that's their mistake. Part 3. The trail. Instead of heading down street like most people, we're taking the narrow trail upstream along Leach Creek. It's quiet, wild, overgrown in the best way. You walk under towering evergreens, the sound of water always nearby. You'll hop over logs, past ferns, and soon you'll hear 2 creeks. That's your sign. You're close. If you love hidden gems just like this and enjoy slow camera adventures, please hit that subscribe button. Got a favorite hidden spot in the Pacific Northwest? Please let me know in the comments and I'd love to check it out. Part 4. The secret. This is it, the confluence. Leach Creek joins Chambers Creek in a swirl of mossy rocks and rippling water. The light here, cutting through the trees, bouncing off the water, it's unreal. I shot some long exposures and close-ups of the moss. Every frame feels like it's breathing. This place doesn't just look beautiful, it feels peaceful. Part 5. Why it matters. This tiny park is more than just pretty. It's a salmon habitat, a vital green space. A reminder that sometimes the most powerful places are the ones nobody talks about. Respect it, stay on the trail, pack it in, pack it out. If you're enjoying this content, check out this playlist. It's the PNW Photo Expeditions playlist, and it has a bunch of other local parks as well. Kobayashi Park does not shout for your attention, it whispers. If you listen closely, follow the sounds of the water, and look past the obvious, you'll find something worth photographing. Thank you for following along. Stay creative, stay curious, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. Go watch another video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.